ToughBuilt Reload Utility Knife. Upgrade your toolkit with the cutting-edge ToughBuilt Reload Utility Knife. It's not just another blade. It's a complete game-changer inspired by pistol magazines. Effortlessly adapt to any task for just $25 and revolutionize your tool collection with this versatile and easy-to-replace utility knife. Stortz RAU 106. Experience precision like never before with the Stortz RAU 106 seam locker. This must-have tool, made in Germany, ensures neat and speedy work on metal sheets with its 8-inch working width. Priced at $260, it's the epitome of precision for specialists who demand perfection. SurPro S1X. Soar to new heights with the SurPro S1X Construction Stilts. Crafted from magnesium alloy, these stilts are 33% lighter, providing unparalleled comfort and versatility. Invest $430 per pair for a small cost and a significant upgrade from traditional heavy stilts. Rizer Hammer Helper. Take your hammer game to the next level with the Rizer Hammer Helper. This multi-tool, a Pro Tool 2019 Innovation winner, transforms your regular hammer into a powerful tool loved by both experts and beginners. Get this game changer for an unbeatable $16. It's not just a pry bar. Jazon SZU. Simplify curb work with the Jazon SZU Universal Slip Form. This 29.5-inch formwork, made in Poland, is the go-to solution for straighter curved curbs. Priced at $523, it's a gem praised for its quality and neatness, saving both time and materials. OLFA BTC1/DX. Discover versatility with the OLFA BTC1/DX scraper. Designed for both left and right-handed users, this scraper is your ticket to precise and efficient scraping. Priced at just $20, it's a steal for anyone valuing versatility in their work. Roughneck Manual Log Splitter. Conquer wood splitting with ease using the Roughneck Manual Log Splitter. Safer and more convenient than an axe, this $48 tool ensures a hassle-free wood splitting experience, especially in a world of rising wood prices. BeadScope 360. Simplify sealant work with the BeadScope 360. Make sealant application a breeze with the $27 kit. No more struggling with blind spots. Get the job done effortlessly and efficiently. Datamark MP-50. Achieve precision marking with the Datamark MP-50. Compact, powerful, and priced around $100. This must-have tool is easily set up via a mobile app. Enjoy 3 hours of continuous marking for anyone valuing precision in their work. CGR Group MRT4. Elevate your lifting game with the CGR Group MRT4 vacuum lifter. supporting up to 705 pounds, rotating 360 degrees, and tilting 90 degrees. This lifter is your go-to for $6,500. Invest in this versatile and reliable tool to elevate your lifting capabilities. DELKO Mix M8. Mix construction materials like a pro with the DELKO Mix M8. Compatible with cordless drills and priced at $40. This tool ensures a neat mix every time. It's a small investment for a significant improvement in your mixing process. Ganwei. Experience precision in the palm of your hand with a Ganwei mini woodworking tool. Perfect for woodworking enthusiasts at just $20.50. This compact tool with tungsten carbide blades allows you to trim pieces effortlessly. Don't miss out on the convenience of this must-have tool. Bumpa Hoist. Roofing efficiency revolution in the UK. Addressing the UK's housing shortage, the Bumpa Hoist revolutionizes the roofing industry. It can lift about 1,000 tiles onto a roof in less than 25 minutes, promising productivity gains and efficient material handling. The reverse drive option allows old material to be sent directly to the back of the truck. Rent it for a week at $157. AIST AHRP-5P, Japan's autonomous humanoid construction robot. Japan, a leader in industrial robots, presents the AIST HRP-5P, a humanoid robot capable of autonomously installing drywall. Weighing 223 pounds and standing 72 inches tall, it has 37 degrees of freedom, cameras, and 3D sensors. Designed for harsh construction site conditions, it recognizes objects and changes in its surroundings,